Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Versace sunglasses, model 4412, color code GB171. The color of the frame is black. These glasses are a rectangular shape. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are dark green. On its temples, you'll find the Versace Medusa. On both sides. These lenses are also 100% UV protected. On its inner right temple, find the Versace logo that it's made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Versace gift box, a Versace hard case, a Versace dust bag, manufacturer booklet, manufacturer is Luxottica, and a Versace booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.